the world of online games, players connect from all over the globe to enjoy their favorite pastime. But sometimes things take a wrong turn.
Hey everyone, I'm excited to play today. Let's do our best.
Not this noob again. You always mess things up.
I'm just here to have fun and get better. Let's work together.
Your trust just quit. No wants you go try somewhere else.
Hey Richmond, that's not cool. Chill out. It's just a game.
Stay out of it. That's it. Mind your own business.
What Richmond is doing is called online harassment or cyberbullying. It's harmful and unnecessary against the rules of most games. Everyone deserves to play in a safe and respectful environment.
Hey John, don't let it get to you. You're doing fine. Want to team up?
Thanks Laswa, that means a lot.
Reports the abuse in-game, reporting Richmond for harassment. Richmond, your behavior violates our community rules. You're being removed for harassment. Online games should be fun, inclusive, and safe for everyone. Let's work together to make gaming a better.
Up when something feels wrong.
Online games should be fun, not a place for hate.